Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from EV Sportline, coming to you from our Atlanta headquarters. And today I'm excited to share a beautiful Rivian R1T. This brand new R1T customer came to us looking to protect his Rivian R1T, and we installed Satin PPF. This is TMaxx clear satin PPF laid up on this over the gray paint. This looks amazing. You still have the underlying paint color, but you now have a satin finish, and you get the paint protection from rock chips, scratches, scuffs, that sort of thing, even UV protection. This is hydrophobic, so it repels water, and really PPF makes for an easier maintenance of keeping the car or truck looking clean. So in this case, it's going to be a lot easier to wash and maintain and make it look clean. And because it's satin, the thing that I like on the satin is it's really resistant to showing scuffs. When you have gloss paint or gloss PPF, in particular, it looks like you can tell you've washed it. You know, you have some swirl marks, some marks from the washing equipment, from drying it off. But with satin, you never get that. You always have a consistent look because it doesn't reflect the light similar to how gloss does. So it makes for an easier maintenance if that's your thing. And generally, it just looks super cool. So hopefully you guys like this. And if you're interested, check us out at evsportline.com. We can install this at our Atlanta headquarters or in our LA facility, which is in Van Nuys. So hope to hear from you. Look us up, contact us, see what we can do for you. You want full PPF, you want frontal, or just in the wear areas, any of that's possible. All right, everybody, give me a thumbs up for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and come back soon. We got a lot more to share.